Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a starfish. First, draw a big curved V shape like so. Then, another curved V shape going this way with a bend at this end. Extend that end into another V shape up here, followed by another V shape up top, and the last V shape to close it off. To add some detail, draw some dots from the points of the starfish going towards the middle. And now you've got a starfish. Make sure to let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos. And check out these videos for more.